Hi, in this video, I'm going to talk about a utility maximization problem. Okay, here the utility function is a cobb-douglas utility function, x to the power a, y to the power b. So I have to maximize this. And the choice variables are x and y. Okay, and subject to the constraint that expenditure is less than equal to income. So we know that optimal choice here is given by a upon a plus b, m upon price of good x, and optimal choice of y is given by b upon a plus b, m upon py. Okay, so basically यहाँ पर a and b works as weightage. Okay, so what we are doing is we are spending a upon a plus b proportion of the income on good x, and we are spending b upon a plus b proportion of the income on good y. Okay, so similarly we can do it for three goods as well. So if we extend this and we take it for three goods, that is when the function is x to the power a, y to the power b, and z to the power c. Okay, where the constraint is that now expenditure on all these three goods is less than equal to income, then in this case optimal choice of good x will be a upon a plus b plus c m by px. Optimal choice of good y will be b upon a plus b plus c m upon py, and optimal choice of z will be c upon a plus b plus c m by pz, which means since the weightage for z here is c, that means we'll be spending c upon a plus b plus c proportion of the income on good z. Okay,